Hi guys. Today we are going to see how to see Shopify hide product. Before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. So now let's see how to see Shopify hide product. Now let's see how to hide this product on Shopify. Go to the Shopify customization page. Click on products. All the products are displayed here. We will hide this first product. It's very simple. First, check this products. We can delete or archive products to remove them from the store, but we only want to hide them. So just set the product to draft. Click on Set as Draft. So this product will go to draft and be hidden from the store. Visit the online store to check this product. Refresh this page. You can see this product's hide from store successfully. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.